Hey there, I've got bad news and I've got worse news. The bad news is that tomorrow is Monday. The worse news is that tomorrow is going to be a wet and windy Monday. If you want to see the details, just stay tuned. My name is Thomas and this is Blame the Weather. Hey there, and thank you for joining. Now, the outlook for the next week doesn't really look that good. It starts off bad on Monday with rain and potentially even some strong to stormy winds in there, and it then gets progressively worse from there, with rain or rain showers persisting throughout the week, potentially turning into sleet or snow towards the end of the week and the weekend. As far as Monday, March 26th is concerned, the day actually doesn't start that bad. Granted, it's going to be cool with 3 degrees Celsius, but it'll be a mostly dry start to the day. By lunchtime, temperatures will have reached around 10 degrees Celsius, so it won't be too shabby. However, by that time, rain will have moved into the Cork area. This rain will turn heavy towards the early afternoon and will stay with us until well into the evening. And as if the rain wasn't enough already, wind speeds will pick up throughout the day, reaching strong to potentially gale force in coastal regions by the mid-afternoon. Tuesday, March 27th, is actually going to start off relatively mild with 7 degrees. And it won't be too cool during the day either, with daytime highs of 10 degrees. However, by the evening things will have changed and we're looking at nighttime lows of around 3 degrees Celsius. Once again, we're looking at a dry start to the day. However, by the late afternoon or evening, another area of rainfall will have moved into Cork. This rainfall, while still pretty intense, will not be quite as heavy as what we're looking at for Monday, so it's best to keep that umbrella handy. Wind speeds will initially still be strong, however, they will slowly but surely slacken throughout the day. Wednesday, March 28th, is going to start off cool yet again, with morning lows of around 3 degrees Celsius. Daytime highs won't be too bad, with around 8 degrees Celsius. However, by nighttime, the temperature drop that I mentioned in the intro is going to really get going, with nighttime lows of 1 degree, maybe even 0 degrees. The day will start off wet, though not terribly so. However, rain showers will be possible throughout the day, so once again keep the umbrella handy. The one bit of good news about Wednesday is that it won't be quite as dull as the previous 2 days have been. We're looking at a few hours of decent sunshine for Wednesday, but as I said, there will be quite a few showers. Now, the general outlook, while being on the cold side, isn't really cool. We're looking at sinking temperatures throughout the week, with temperatures dropping well into the minus for Thursday and Friday nights and probably over the weekend as well. Rainfall will continue, possibly coming down as sleet or snow, depending on the situation. So yes, spring is still a bit off with regards to the actual weather outside. I don't see how spring can roll around until probably mid-April. I wish I had better news, but that's the situation at the moment. Once again, that's all from me today. Thank you very much for joining me. If you liked this video, please consider giving a thumbs up. It really is a huge help for small channels like mine. If you like to keep up to date with the weather situation, especially down here in Cork, please hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like my detailed opinion on the snow coming in over Easter, why don't you click on the video that should be arriving over there on your screen. Once again, thank you very much for joining me today, and remember, don't blame me, blame the weather.